Hi there, learners. Now that we have reviewed how to allow our camera, select a game from the Just Play screen, calibrate our objects, I would like to quickly review how we can access game settings in order to create the just right fit for your players. So as you can see by looking at the game screen here, I have already calibrated my object and I'm ready to start the game. But before I do that, I would like to access the game settings so that I can adjust based on my player's physical and cognitive abilities. If we look to the right side of the screen, you will notice an area with several white icons. In order to access the settings, I will be looking for the gear symbol. If I were to hover over that icon there, you should be able to see on the screen that I do have what looks like a settings button. It's indicating there that those are the game settings. By clicking that with my mouse, I have opened the settings window here. And I have several options. These will change based on the activity that is selected or the game that you are engaging with. But in this instance, I have several options here. I can play by time or lives, time being a fixed time such as 1, 3, or 5 minutes. Lives would instead not be a fixed time. Instead, this would be for maybe that player that wants a higher level of challenge. So anytime they were to hit an obstacle, they would lose a life, and therefore they're now playing with one less. And as they run out of those lives, and once they finally have lost all of their hearts, they will in fact end the game. I can choose to edit the sound here for music and effects or effects only, any combination there. This is ideal depending on the type of environment that you are looking to create. Perhaps music and effects could be distracting for some users, and for others, it really could help to build the activity, make it immersive. I have the option here for background. This will be found in all of our games. We can remove the background imagery. We can play without. In some instances, we can select whether that is a black or white background for greater contrast based on visual impairment. And finally, I'm able to here select game speed or difficulty. So this is really important across our activities. We do have different levels from beginner all the way up to World Cup, which would be really a level that we have designed for you, the therapists or the facilitators who were there to demonstrate, have some fun, and get in on the action yourselves. So I will bump that up to advanced for myself, and a few other specific to Ski Saga activities. I can choose to turn off the squatting obstacles. I'm seated. I don't need to squat, so we'll turn those off, and I will hit save. And now I have adjusted those settings, and I am ready to play.